Hello and welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create an outline brush in Procreate. So what I mean is, we're going to create a brush that looks something like this. So let's just get started. Okay, so this is a very simple short tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead and uncheck this. You can open a canvas of any size that you want. It doesn't matter. Let me just go ahead and go to my brushes, go into calligraphy, and we're going to create this brush using the monoline brush. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on your monoline brush, swipe and click on duplicate. We're going to do one more, duplicate. So as soon as you see this Procreate symbol, that means they are duplicates. So this is your original monoline brush, which we're not going to touch. We're just going to use these two brushes. Now click on this brush. Now click on this brush and swipe so that both of them get selected. And now we're going to click on combine. So let's just click on the combined version. So it shows up as 3, 2. That's just the number of brushes it has. So just click on that. Okay, so now you can see two brushes right here. So I'm just going to the second brush, click on your combine mode and make sure you select subtract. And once you've done that, go to the first brush, go to properties, and in here you have something called as maximum size and minimum size. So if you see, you can't see anything, but let me just increase this a little bit. And you can see maximum and minimum size. Can just increase both of these like this. And there you go. You have your outline brush ready. So now you just have to select that and you can write whatever you want. Did you see how thin this brush is, whereas compared to my other brush, which was very thick? That's because of the properties that we set. So you can go ahead and edit it again and make sure you click on this, go to properties, and this is like this. Now you can go here to the properties again and increase or decrease size here as well. Let me just show you that. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size so that once you click on done, it is much thinner now. Now you can go ahead and draw with this as well. So that's basically how you create an outline brush. So you can use the same thing for a lot of other brushes as well. For example, I have a chalk thingy here, which I'm going to uncheck this and maybe use some red. And you can see that you can create it with other brushes as well. The same technique, there's no difference between that. So I'm going to quickly show you what you can do other than actually using this for hand lettering actually. So I'm going to choose one of these brushes, and for example, I could use it to make some flowers, you know, something like this and like that. Or you could also use it for various things like if I go ahead, let me just undo this and let me just go ahead and click on canvas and click on drawing guide, go to edit drawing guide, go to symmetry options, and let's do radial. Okay, and then click on done. And now you can actually make things like this. You can reduce the size and go ahead and choose some other color. And this is too small, so it doesn't show up. And then you could create something like this as well. And it's very easy to create mandala and stuff because it's already a double line. And yeah, that makes it so nice to create things with this brush. So it's not just for lettering. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. So you can use it for other things as well. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I guess I'll see you in the next video then. Bye-bye.